Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, in this new series that is IT tutorial series, in this video we're going to talk about introduction to MikroTik and how to access router OS. This lesson is perfect for beginners in networking who want to learn how to use MikroTik routers. Let's get started with the basic. Okay, the first is we must know what is MikroTik. So, what is MikroTik? MikroTik is a company from Latvia that develops network device and an operating system called Router OS. Router OS works as the brain of router. It manages network traffic, IP address, firewalls, NAT, and many other features. MikroTik is commonly used in school, office, university, and even by Internet Service Provider or ISPs. Okay, we move to the next point. That is why use MikroTik. So, why do people love using MikroTik? Here's a few reasons that I got it. One is it's easy to configure because MikroTik using graphical interface or GUI like Winbox and Webkit. Two is it has a powerful complete features like DHCP, firewall, VPN, hotspot, and more. And last is it's affordable and perfect for learning network concept. Okay. Now we must know what is Router OS. So what is Router OS? Router OS is a MikroTik operating system, the core of software that controls everything inside the router. There are three main ways to access Router OS. First is Winbox. This is a Winbox application for configuration. Two is Webkit. You can access this via web browser. And last is CLI or command line interface. This is using the terminal. Okay, before we go to access the Router OS via Winbox, the first we must have the important thing first. That is the MikroTik board. Yes, we must get the MikroTik board. This is I got from my school. This is the MikroTik router board. This is the main things. Okay, the first is router board. Two is we must have the cable to turn on it. That is USB cable. And three is cable LAN to connect it to laptop. Okay, and how to turn on the router? First, you plug in the USB, you turn it to the power like this. Okay, turn on, and then we connected the cable LAN to the Ether. Yes. Okay. Then after this, we can now move to accessing Router OS via Winbox. Okay. Now before we access the Router OS with Winbox, we must download it first in the website with mikrotik.com. Okay, after we access it, login it the account first or make the account first. After that, go to the software. In this you can see the download option. This prefer with your version, like if you use Windows, download Windows. If you use Mac OS, you download the Mac OS, and if you use the Linux, download the Linux. And you can see that is two versions of the Router OS. It is version 6 and version 7. But my download is the version 6, the SMIMS and the stable version. Okay, after we download the Windows, we can access it. Click it. Firstly, you can see that there is the one option MAC address. That means the address from the router board, from our router board. After that, you click double, and if you firstly access the Winbox, just blank it the password up. But if you have before accessing the Winbox, you can fill it with your own password. Like mine, I have accessed the Winbox before. Okay, connect. Okay, now you can see the router OS that access with the Winbox. There is the many feature you can access, like wireless, interface, bridge, switch, IP, this IP. There is address, DHCP client, firewall, and many feature that you can explore. Okay, maybe for aesthetic, you can change the name, this identity. Yeah, you can change the name with your own name, like this. Yeah, you can change the name. Okay, now how to access the webfig? First, we must add the address and the IP address, and you click the add, and you fill it the address with 192.168.88.1/24, and the interface, choose the ether that connect to the router board. In this contoh ether 2. Then I'm sorry. Then get the connection. Okay. Yes, wrong password. Nah, okay. Then after you then just the ether 2, apply. Okay, now we move to the browser and fill it with the IP address 192.168.168.1. Enter, and you can see the webfig. Fill the password, login, and now you can see the router OS with webfig. The feature have the same with like Winbox, but just the different access. Okay. Okay. Now, so you just learn it, two ways to access router OS, that is from Winbox and webfig. Maybe in the next video we will configure IP address and how to connect our Macrotik router to the internet. Thank you for watching. Sorry if I have a mistake or a mistake word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.